Amasayin si bay regule kan nau Phir ten hei vo inchu chopa nga yan 800 veta a ui na shai don ani hile.
My baby sister will Phir. So haven't tried bananas.
Yep. So
And this is the first time eating some. But you'll believe this cracking out your tail of it. But I'm gonna feed it because
this is the girls' first time trying food. Hi. And we mashed up some banana. And Mila is being the best big sister.
I mashed it up good for this because I mashed it really hard.
Okay, give Margot a bite.
I mashed it really hard for them to do. I got one with a bad cold.
Here,
Let
me help.
I got a bad cold for them. Bad colds help us. I put a bad cold and I mashed it bananas and I mashed it that one.
You did a good job, Mila.
That was my job. Don't take anything from somebody.
Okay, I understand you would like to help, but I was just helping too.
Okay, turn it off.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave it.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna get another.
Oh, more bananas.
Good job. Say
She ate it.
Yum.
She wants more. Good job.
Is that yummy?
She loves it.
Yummy.
She shakes her skin.
Yep. Yummy. Is it good, Margot? Okay. Yummy.
Whoa, drip. Slowly.
It's okay. They're just
Dad.
waiting. Dad, come on. Oh, Addie, baby, you gotta get down. Okay? You gotta get down. Okay. Maeve, say ah.
Whoa.
She loves it. Do you want me to help you? Oh, okay. Maeve, are you ready to try with me? Right.
Well, it
Oh,
didn't.
Margot. Here, Maeve.
That wasn't a frown.
Good job.
Margot is really hungry. Maybe let's do some.
Are you done, Maeve? Oh, she's ready.
When I feed her one like an old plane, she said ah.
Yeah.
That's how I make them say ah.
Hang on this way, Lily. Good job.
That's how I make it. That drip goes into a whole bit.
Addie, you need to sit down. What's going on, honey? Addie, sit down. Okay, there, go. Oh, did you trip back? You're okay, honey. You tripped.
Back. Maeve.
You tripped, honey. You okay?
One more.
Do you want me to kiss it? Good job, honey. Good job.
You can do this.
I'll do the cleanup.
Yeah, and I will do the fetal.
Yeah, honey. Okay, honey. All right, you want me to take over, Mila? Or you got it?
I got it. I can do all kinds of things. I can do drawing. What's next is Smile. She smiled because she likes the food. It's so good. She loves food.
คติส่งค่าตัวนาตานจวนโลนี่แหละพดเซกันโลเม